Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. With the continuous development and innovation in technology, surveillance system functions and operations have become more and more complex, making it harder for users to customize the system based on their own monitoring needs. But what if I told you that Dahua has developed a camera series that offers an array of intelligent functions that can be customized based on your preferences and requirements? Yes, you've heard it right. In this video, we're going to unbox a Dahua camera that offers illumination options and customizable alarm sounds. I'm excited to tell you about these features, but first let's take a look at the product box itself. Introducing the Dahua TiOC 2.0 4K network camera. This is the product box of the Dahua TiOC 2.0 4K network camera. This model's number is here. The dimensions of the product box are 156mm by 156mm by 137mm and weighs 915 grams. I'm ready to see what's inside, so let's open the box, shall we? Here we go. Here's how it looks on the inside. As you can see, this box contains the legal information booklet, the installation guide, an installation position map, a pack of screws. You can also see the lens of the camera. Let's take out these two pieces. If you look inside, you can see the camera and also a pack of RJ45 waterproof connectors. So these are all the accessories included in the box. Let's take a look at the camera. The camera's dimensions are 110.9mm by 120mm in diameter with a net weight of 745 grams. Wires and connectors are located behind. The camera comes in a metal casing and has an IP67 ingress protection rating. The camera is equipped with two hybrid lights. The right hybrid light consists of one blue light and one red light. The left hybrid light consists of one infrared light and one white light. Its built-in speaker at the bottom and two built-in mics on the sides of the lens enable better sound quality and noise reduction. This gives the two-way talk clearer sound. As I mentioned previously, this camera provides customizable options as well as some other amazing improvements. Let's take a deeper look at some of these highlights. The dual mics on both sides of the camera significantly improve the sound-noise ratio and sound pickup distance, providing a cleaner and clearer audio by reducing wind noise and other environmental background noises. Together with the built-in speaker, these dual mics enable an enhanced two-way talk that allows the user to speak to the detected individual in the monitored scene. This camera also features 11 built-in alarm sounds. It also supports imported custom sounds, which could be used as a welcome message in stores or a deterrent in restricted areas like construction sites or fire lanes. Another customizable feature of the camera is the Smart Dual Illuminators. It has three modes: Smart Illumination Mode, IR Mode, and White Light Mode, and allows the user flexibility to switch to different modes to suit different scenes. The Smart Illumination Mode is the default mode. In an environment with low light illumination, the infrared light is active. When a target enters the monitored area, the white light will be triggered and turned on to capture color image of the scene. When the camera is triggered, the active deterrence function will be activated, prompting the siren and red and blue warning light. The white light will turn off and the infrared illuminator will turn back on when there's no target in the monitoring area. The other two modes, IR mode and white light mode, offer more options. White light is not triggered in IR mode, while in white light mode, the white light remains on. Furthermore, this camera also supports the one-tap disarming with alarm in port, as well as the DMSS app. Also, we've made a big technological breakthrough on the image of the infrared camera with f1.0 big aperture, realizing infrared confocal of super large aperture lens and achieving a brighter and more detailed picture. Compared with f1.6, the light input of f1.0 is 2.56 times greater, and with this technological breakthrough, the camera can realize 4K real-time even when the AI is enabled, so the user can enjoy smooth, high-definition video. And there you have it. The Dahua TiOC 2.0 4K network camera offers amazing features that allows you to customize your monitoring systems based on your own preferences and needs. Another big feature of this camera is its AI functions, which include SMD 3.0 and perimeter protection. Overall, these features make this product ideal for various application scenarios, such as restricted areas or villas. Once again, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new here to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon to get notified every time we post a new update. Also, you can follow our official social media accounts right here. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.